Come in, I want nothing from you. Come here, I want there for sacrifice, bosshead.
People, welcome back to the channel. This is Birdbeak, and today we're gonna touch into some more topics on the BUSSHEAD situation. Now, as you know, BUSSHEAD recently was put to rest, and social media is talking about it right now. Pops YG and a lot of other TikTokers have came out and spoken on the matter. So, before we get into the video, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share. It really helps the channel out a lot. And if you can, please support us on Patreon. With that being said, let's get into the video. Please enjoy. Here you can see Pops YG doing his crazy stunts at BUSSHEAD funeral. Take a look.
Pops YG at BUSSHEAD funeral this.
Here in the next clip, you can see Gotti and Pops YG saying that Nicki Minaj allegedly sacrificed BUSSHEAD. Take a listen for yourself.
Don't fuck up. I will say you're somebody and you have boy in the studio at time. You're somebody, Nicki Minaj. Don't fuck up. Come in, I want nothing from you. Come here, I want there for sacrifice, BUSSHEAD. Me not sorry for nobody. Yo, Stormy, how me not see a funeral and you sick? You and BUSSHEAD there for 5 years. After a man only see you for 5 minutes.
Hold on. Hey, big pussy girl, Stormy, look for... You and BUSSHEAD there for 5 years, dirty girl. And you're there for live a ball and me not see you pull up by a funeral and say, this was his girlfriend.
Now we're gonna move on to some clips of Pops YG calling out TikTokers for not making an appearance to the late 41 BUSSHEAD's funeral because they should have been more supportive. Take a look.
Diamond, I be you live, you see all your diamond? I bet say me mash up your life.
Brother, me bring down Diamond, dog.
I go mash up Diamond life.
Diamond, you look good for 60-year-old. No, me and him go to school.
You see my guys, I go mash up Diamond life right now.
Murder, receipt, and beer things. Rascals. Beer things.
I mash up Diamond life.
Receipt.
Diamond life.
Pops a cashier, you know.
Diamond man, if you kill him over there with lick right now. I hit me boat to start up right now. Hold on.
Murder.
See Diamond. Diamond man, if you kill you over there with lick. What Diamond man name? No. Willie. This is Diamond in
your bed.
No, I said that. Tappy girl.
Bro, I don't say I want to
this
come
is
out
Diamond,
room,
Willie.
Gonna come out of the room now, brother.
This is Diamond on me, Willie. Willie, mother fuck Diamond still. This is Diamond with me, Willie. I wind up on me in a club, spending much money on me. Diamond, you could have come at BUSSHEAD funeral. Willie, if you kill you with lick over there. See, Diamond, you Willie, man. Willie, and me, I slap up your ass, look ya. Willie, you know, see me, if you kill him over there, lick.
Viewers and subscribers, please do share your thoughts on that in the comment section below. Now on to the next one.
You see, hold on. When I got BUSSHEAD funeral, the whole of people on TikTok for cancel, you know, if come down, you know, if get cancelled.
No.
You know, if cancel.
Me say Dona.
Me can't call name. Dona.
Binds.
Me say Dona, me did think say me and Dona go war. Me say Dona did me and him drink NSC. When I tell me that chef family come, me go to Dona, I say Dona pass up a class. Me say Dona give me NSC and give me. You see, Bookie,
yes,
big up
Bookie.
yourself. Zuma, big up yourself. Well, now me turn on back the blood clot comment out. Oh, you comment turn on again, Gotti. Turn on the comment. Wait.
Subscriber.
Hold on.
See that.
Alright, hold on. Hold on. Somebody was Zuma always have on TikTok and Jimbo. Listen up. Jimbo, big up yourself. Dona, big up yourself. Binds, big up yourself. Gotti, big up yourself. Who next?
Brazilla,
who next?
Monon,
who next?
Diva,
who next?
Who again, me see?
No, me not talk about them that small.
No, me have a big up bomber clot.
Well,
people
listen,
when me want big.
Yeah. But you big when I fear time.
No, me know, me reason, bro.
Big rank of them. Cause they should have forward that.
What rank? I mean, I see no rank. I don't know alone, me see
Dona, Binds, Bookie.
Who again?
Listen, all on up on TikTok where Tidia boss said funeral boom, wanna turn around on the live sooner ya. Wanna turn around on the live sooner ya. Turn around on the live boom. And I say no condolence, the boss said don't forget suck out to the mother. I want YG said that man. Don't forget suck out to the mother. We are make millions for una uno. No me no uno, cause I don't really like TikTok from lose with Benz. Una make millions for TikTok and I tell me say, when could buy one clothes, could buy some clothes to come my dog funeral, bro. Una not ready yet, brother.
Please share your thoughts on that in the comment section below. Now we move on to Nicki Minaj sharing condolences about the whole situation. Take a look and listen for yourself.
That is going to be is going to be missing him tremendously every day. Because from what I saw of him in that little span of time. So again, rest in peace to BUSSHEAD again. And God bless to his family, his friends, his fans. Everybody who love him.
People, that's it for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video. It helps us out a bunch and it literally costs you nothing. Also, support us on Patreon if you can. Anyways, that's it for now, people. Birdnation, stay sharp.